are going to do a quick tutorial on how to sum or add or total in Google Sheets. So we're going to go over 3 different ways you can use it and then also a nice little cheat at the end. So first I'm going to show you how to sum up a column. So here I've got some numbers and I've decided I want to sum up this second column, column B. I've highlighted this cell because this is where I want to show the total number. So all you have to do is type in equals and then sum, and then you'll have to put an opening parentheses. You can see the program tries to help you out, and that's always very useful. And then because all of these are right next to each other, I can just click and drag down and then let go, and it knows, or I've told it, that I want the sum of cell B2 up here, and then the colon says through B13. It tells the program B2 through B13. And then I will put a closing parentheses to tell the program that I'm done. That's the end of what I want you to do. And then I can press Tab or Enter, and it shows up in that cell. So pretty easy. You can also do it to sum or add up a row. So this one I've gotten rid of all the other data and I just want to add up this row, this number for every month. So I'll do the same thing here. Put in equals, sum, opening parentheses, and it tried to help me out. It selected all of these, but I don't want it to select this one because there's nothing there, and if I choose to put something there later, it'll get confused. So I'm just going to select the ones I want. Once again, it does the colon, so cell B2 through E2. And then I close the parentheses, press Tab or Enter, and there's the total. Now I can also pick cells to add up that aren't right next to each other, and it's slightly different, but not too bad. So in this one, I've decided I want to add up or sum the maximum number in each row. So I go to the cell I want it to show up in, press equals, sum, opening parentheses, and then for February, it's this one. And instead of using the colon, I'm going to use a comma. And that tells the program that now I'm going to click a different cell. So for March, it's this one, comma, April, this one, comma, and then for May. And then I close it to tell it I'm done. You don't put an extra comma at the end. And I press Tab or Enter. And there. So it shows me the sum of just the maximum numbers. Now there's a quick cheat you can do if for whatever reason you can't be bothered to type out equals sum parentheses. I'm going to delete this and show you this cheat. Up at the menu, so for me, my window's a little small, so it's cut off the menu, so I have to click More. And then I'm going to click on this sigma symbol. It's like a weird, funky capital letter E. And you click that, and you want the sum function, so you just click Sum, and it puts it in there right for you. It's got the parentheses for you. You can start clicking the cells you want to add up. Make sure you put those commas in, then hit Enter. And that's just a quick little cheat. We also have, if the video format is a little confusing for you, we have this tutorial on our website. The link is in the description below. Please leave any comments if you have any further questions about summing or ideas for future tutorials. We want to make videos that are useful to you and not just random. But yeah, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And remember that you can do this. Thanks, guys.